Hi, thanks for checking out this video. My name is Mike Sheley, and most of the content I have on this channel is for people involved in youth ministry. But this video is one of a set of videos in a playlist to help you improve your presentation skills. Whether you are a business professional, a teacher, a youth pastor, a preaching pastor, children's minister, maybe you're a student, middle school, high school, junior high, college, and you want to do and create better presentations, I want to share some tips that I have learned over the years from really good presentations to help you out as well. And today, we are specifically talking about images. Images are so powerful in a presentation. And I want to show you today how often we think about images, we're thinking about just putting up a quick slide, but sometimes you can use them as a replacement for what you were going to do with text and have a bigger impact. So here's a few examples. You could put up on the screen the word curious and talk about curiosity, or you could show this picture and you see that photo and you're wondering, what is she looking at? What's outside the window? Is it somebody she knows? Her mouth is open in that moment of excitement. Is she about to say something? Like that communicates curiosity so well. Here's another example. You could put the word surprises on the screen, or you could show this guy. I don't know what he just heard. I don't know what's going on, but something has surprised him. And because he's holding a book, it makes you think maybe he saw or read something in there that caught him off guard and that was a surprise for him. You could also do the same thing with the word wonder. And check this out. So instead of wonder, you put this image on the screen, but we've set up our slides in such a way, this is actually a portrait image. And so we transition to look up and see, what is she looking at? None of that looks very amazing. It's a bunch of little fish, but we zoom to the top. Ah, that's what she's looking at. So we reveal the wonder by revealing part of the photo a little bit at a time. Then you have this great word, imagination. And you say the word imagination, that word alone is this concept of wow. But you show this image, and you're wondering, like, is that feather just floating down? Did the boy see a bird go by? What is he thinking about as he sees this image? He sees this feather, and you put that on screen. It's amazing. It communicates imagination. And here's the other thing. You probably have a phone that takes pictures. There are things around you all the time that capture your imagination and your attention. You can use your phone to snap a picture of that and have something to use in a presentation. Or maybe you have a friend who's a photographer and you say, hey, here are 5 different things that I need photos of for my next presentation. I don't quite know how to capture that. Would you be able to do that for me? And of course, if that's their job, you pay them for that to support them. But you got this great photography now that supports what you're trying to communicate. In the description below, I've included a link to the website for Unsplash, where I got all those photos from. And so I just want to encourage you, photos are powerful. And we are used to someone saying, hey, look at this photo from my trip or something I experienced. But what if you thought about photos as a more powerful tool? Something to replace or use alongside text. Or like I did, to reveal after the word, to have kind of a 1-2 punch to communicate something you're trying to communicate. Images are powerful. People say a picture is worth 1,000 words. So instead of putting 1,000 words on a screen, put one photo. It'll be more memorable, it may be more effective, and it will help improve your presentation, whatever you are communicating. Well, here's the deal. This is a new channel for me, and so if this video was helpful for you, gave you a new way to think about images or gave you a new resource for images, then like the video, comment below. Do you have a favorite website you use for photos? Let us know about it. Maybe it's a paid source. Maybe it's another free resource. What's a creative way that you use photos in your presentations? Let us know that. And when it comes to resources, one of the ways I still find out some of the best information is by word of mouth. And so if this is helpful for you, if you'll share the video link with somebody else who could use a few tips with presentations or using images, and if this is really helpful for you, if you'll subscribe. My goal is to put out 2 videos a week and begin to do a few lives a month all around youth ministry, but mixed in with those will be lots of videos on presentation tips to help you improve when you're presenting information. Our goal is to get that out effectively, to communicate that, and so if you'll subscribe and support me, we'll keep more videos coming out to help you out. Again, leave a comment, let me know what's a question you have related to presentations, or what's a tip you think I should be talking about, and maybe you'll see that in one of our next videos. Until then, I'll see you next time.